अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, ये देखिए हमारे इब्राहिम भाई नाइजीरियन कबाब की शौकीन है, कबाब खाने आते हैं। और आज देखो ये लुकिंग इसकी, देखो शलवार कमीज में ब्लू इमरान खान कलर में आए हैं, बड़ा ज़बरदस्त दिख रहा है। तो इनका आज मेरा भी इत्तेफाक से ब्लू कलर है और इब्राहिम का भी। अभी इब्राहिम इंग्लिश में कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं।
Yeah, this is very nice. I make it from international city, from my friend, make it for me. He's from Patan. Very nice person. I now came to this night to come and show you Zain. Very nice. This is
Thank
the owner
you.
of the kebab, number one
Thank
in Isaya. Okay, this is Adnan made this one for me. He's from Patan. He's a friend to Jalil Mande. He's my partner. We sell for him in Charger. I now came to kebab to Alad Medina tonight to come and meet Hussein, the owner of the kebab.
Thank you.
He's like my yes. Tonight I need to make a video and to get more kebab tonight and eat, because anytime I eat kebab is mia. It's mite number one in Charger.
Thank you.
Shukran.
Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you.
You're looking also very nice.
Thank you.
So nice. Thank you.
Everybody today they say, "Are you from Patan? Are you from?" I say, "I'm not from Shawa. I'm from Patan."